How do I pick a radio station? Control4 can stream your favorite radio stations or play them through your AM/FM tuner. If audio is available in a room, you will see the Listen experience on the room screen. Then, tap the Stations button. You will see a list of your favorite AM, FM, Sirius XM, and streaming radio stations. Tap Sources to see the streaming services and devices that populate your favorite stations. For example, here we see TuneIn, Sirius XM, and Pandora. If you want to add a new favorite station, you will do so by adding that station to one of these services. AM or FM radio stations can be added and streamed through TuneIn and iHeartRadio. Tap back to see your music streaming services, and let's tap Sirius XM. Tap Music. Choose a genre. Then you can tap a station to begin streaming. Tap the Menu button with 3 dots and 3 lines to add this radio station to favorites. Tap the Home button to return to the room screen to see that your station is playing. Tap Listen again and tap Stations again to see that your station has been added. For stations and playlists that you use the most, tap and hold its artwork to favorite to room for quicker and easier access. And that's how you browse, pick, and favorite radio stations.